Well, good afternoon. Well, as you all know, we had an epic 2-week run with the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. With that said, that has come to an end. So we did have some new Inside Track Club deals dropped. So I'm going to turn this camera around and let's get into it. All right, we're back. I'm going to try to finish up these ITC deals for April. I know there's probably some we missed, but there's some redundancy between the categories. But first off, just want to share that free hat that ends tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, so 4/23. Everyone with a $29.99 purchase and Inside Track $14.99 purchase. Super coupon to the same effect. They also have dropped these 30% off coupons. This is for everybody. All items $10 and under. There is a limit of 5. They're not specifying whether that's a limit of 5 items or 5 of a single item. So I'm unsure. It does not say that in the disclosures there. Still a good deal if you get a few items. The Inside Track Club members, that's 30% off all items $20 and under. It's also unclear for sure on stacking of the items. Some stores allow it, some stores do not. So hopefully you find some that do. At least one of my local stores does. It's the main one I shop at, so no issues there for me. All right, let's jump over. We did automotive yesterday. Let's do the tool storage. We got that US General 27x22 rolling cab, Series 3. Numerous colors. Save $50, $349. Here's a nice workbench. This goes on sale occasionally. It's very nice. 48-inch workstation with a light, $99.99. That large toolbox, $5 off, $34.99. US General's 4-tier shelf. It's a good deal on a little shelf to add things in your garage. It is 12 inches deep, 52 inches high, $19.99. 8-bin part storage case, $8.99. The 15 slot wrench organizers, 2-piece. If you're going to pick up some of the wrench deals, $9.99. US General's top chest for that Series 3, 56x22, knocking $100 off, multi-colors. Half-inch drive metric magnetic socket holders, down 34% to $14.99. This is the paper towel holder. If you don't already have one, $9.99. Multiple colors to match your toolbox. Even if you don't have a US General, you probably have a color there that would be complementary. Tactical ammo and utility box, $7.99. Another magnetic. This is for the SAE. The other was for metric. Here's a 15-slot magnetic wrench rack, $17.99, 28% off. If you want to add this to your US General drawer, $5 off. This will hold your power tools face down. Easy access, $24.99. Multiple rail socket tray. This is 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, $12.99. Here's a toolbox, a 4-piece. If you just got little different, like a plumbing thing and a electrical thing and a small woodworking chisel type thing, there's you a set of 4 for 22% off, $26.99. Here's you the other SAE or metric on that socket tray. Toolbox organizer. This has got drawers for your small parts storage and screws and things, 25% off, $14.99. Magnetic tray. This is a 10.5 by 11.5, very nice size for working on things, $11.99. 22-inch end locker, matches all the colors of the other US General, save $100 at $2.99. And that magnetic cup holder, which obviously will hold anything that's cylindrical like that and will fit in there, but mainly for the cup holder, US General, many other sizes for $8.99. Here's a 72 by 22 inch work center hutch, Series 3. All those colors, save $100, $5.99. I did notice that Harbor Freight does a lot of different drops so that we that follow along and share, we're always busy. I am going to get some content out for some other vendors. All right, here's the lawn and garden section, premium wide mouth pressure washer foam cannon, 31% off. If you need one of these to wash around and do different things, it foams up really good, $23.99. That work cart was on another category, so was that. Here's the Bauer 20-volt string trimmer. If you already got Bauer 20-volt tools, this is a good addition, saving 18% to $44.99. Bunker Hill Security. Yes, these are lightweight and cheap, but for $7.99, you can pick up a couple. In my experience, these last 2 to 3 years. So hopefully you'll have the same result. As you can see, it's got very good ratings. There's the Niagara 50-foot premium kink-free garden hose. That's a pretty good deal at $28.99. Here's a 2-pack of your spray bottles, 32 ounce, $3.99. Solid deal. Pressure washer we went over. Tarps we went over. Tent stakes. If you haven't picked up these in a while, I am convinced that over the course of a year, you will need some to hold something temporary, or maybe, for more than temporary. $4.99, that's a 6-pack. It's a good deal on those. Machete, mostly what I use mine for is to chop some weeds, but so does a weed eater, but it's still very handy to have around, $4.99. Yard rake, that's a solid deal at $9.99. Here's a metal detector with an armrest. Got it down to $49.99. This is a plug-in jet fan blower, but it's a solid deal at $54.99. That's 805 CFM. Very high volume. We've seen that. The cord extension reel, that's a hold 150 foot of wire. $7.99, save 20%. Here's a survival knife. They've got it knocked 22% off, down to $6.99. Submersible waterfall pump, if you're going to do something like that in your yard or you need to replace yours. This is 2,500 gallons per hour. Very good ratings. It looks like 4.5, $59.99. Here's your tactical folding knife for $12.99. Condensate pump. Don't see this one, or I haven't seen this one before. So this is to replace the ones that you already have, and or add one maybe to your dehumidifier that doesn't have a pump, which I have done, and you can pump it anywhere you want. 25% off, $44.99. I assure you that is cheaper than any of them that you will find at Lowe's. Another machete for $12.99, and we've seen that 9-watt. And what is the other category here? Hand tools. We didn't look at those, did we? Don't think so. Here's that Quinn 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric, and this is the high-vis version, 16% off to $49.99. Pittsburgh Pros 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar. Great deal on that at $16.99. This is kind of a sleeper deal. Pittsburgh, it's not their top-of-the-line tool, but their pliers are decent. And you get a 6-piece set here for $9.99 for inside track thumb brimmers. Doesn't matter to... In my opinion, to have these in some places that so you wouldn't have to go back in the house or get out of the truck. These are pretty handy to just keep around in different places at $9.99. Same deal with these adjustable wrenches. $12.99, save 27%. That's a 4-piece, so $3 a tool. Pittsburgh's Flex Head metric ratcheting combination wrench. And there's going to be the options of SAE or metric. Either one, 37% off. $19.99. Remember, these are lifetime warranted. Same as the V-Groove metric combination wrench set. This is going to come in metric or SAE, $34.99, save 30%. Here's the fully polished SAE and metric all together, $17.99, save 21%. Here's a couple of options on that Icon 1/2-inch drive professional long reach flex head ratchet, and it's got the comfort grip, 30% off, $46.99. So if you miss those 35% off sales, this one's pretty darn close. Precision screwdrivers. If you have lost many of your bits, like a lot of us have, might be a good time to replace it for $6.99. Here's a Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive flex head long handle ratchet. It's 20% off, down to $27.99. There's a steel cross peen hammer, $13.99, save 30%. Another deal on a Pittsburgh flex head ratchet, $14.99, save 25%. Here's a Pittsburgh, I think another sleeper set. Decent little screwdrivers. This is the bolted screwdriver set, 8 pieces. Hey, it's $7.99. 8 pieces, $7.99, a buck a tool. Quinn's metric flare nut wrench set, 5-piece, $29.99. We've seen that. Here's your multi-purpose vise with anvil, 20 bucks off. We've seen that. Here's a 6-inch swivel vise with the anvil. It's 25% off, $59.99. You people newer to the tool world or adding to your tools, if you don't have one, might be the time to get your vise. Everybody's going to need one from time to time. Here's 3 options on that Icon 3/8 drive low profile ratchet with comfort grip, 30% off, down to $29.99. Same deal here. 4-volt cordless stapler. Don't know much about it, but it's got 4.5, a little more than 4.5 star review, so I'd say it's a pretty good deal at $32.99. Here's your rafter square, 17%. If you need another one or you just don't have one, it's time to get one for $13.99. And there's another option on that ratchet. Here's the Icon 1/2-inch drive professional flex head ratchet with comfort grip. It's 28% off, $37.99. Pittsburgh extendable. These are very handy if you just can't quite reach it. Down 20% off to $15.99. Here's the 1/4-inch drive professional flex head ratchet Icon. Once again, 3 options, down 28% to $26.99. Seen the survival knife. Quinn's SAE flare nut wrench set, 5-piece, $29.99. These stubby claw hammers, and I'm sure they have the peen for the same price. $2.59, save 35%. Very handy in tackle boxes or extra tool boxes inside the house, what have you. There's another option. Pittsburgh's 3/8 drive impact socket set, $9.99. How in the heck? That is a full set for $9.99. That's a deal. Seen the knives. Here's your portable carpenter's vise, $14.99. And a steel pipe wrench, 10-inch, $3.99. There's the ball peen I mentioned. The basin wrench, if you don't already have one, $4.99. Pick you one up. If you ever change out something under your kitchen sink, you will be glad you have this. And I believe that's all we're going to go over this morning. So hopefully you find some good deals at Harbor Freight. Let's use those coupons up if you need those caps by tomorrow. So $14.99 for the Harbor Freight hat. And then the 30% off the items for the weekend. And that's $20 and under for ITC members and $10 and under items for everyone. But of course, ITC members, you can use both. You just have to make, obviously, separate transactions. Most of them, I don't think, is going to let you do it at the same time. If you'd like to see this content managed in a different way, I'm open for suggestions. I know there's several people doing this. I try to offer my own slant, so hopefully I'm doing fairly well at that. You all can let me know. But until the next video, y'all take care.